happy New Year 2022 to all. Um, I'm going to tell my basic introduction. So this is my journey, uh, my schoolings and colleges. After that, how I entered into the architecture firm and what I'm doing now. Everything is this is my CV. So basically, I did my Bachelor of Civil Engineering in Sardar Engineering College in my native Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. And this, of course, after 2017, and that 3D courses I did, this AutoCAD, 3ds Max, V-Ray, Photoshop, this everything I did, and here I joined in 2018. Called Dots Designer Private Limited. After that, I went into another company like named CB4 Architects. Later on, this corona has happened. That's why I'm looking for a new job or planning to go forward for freelancing work like that. So this is my CV and everything detailed I given here. This is my basic introduction. My full name is Jackson Franklin, 3D artist and 3D visualizer, 3D modeler. Everything is we are using this architectural form. So this is the platform what I'm using for this uh, tutorials, and this one, no, Telegram, and this Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, whatever. So everything the social media I'm going to use. So this link I given in the my Instagram page. This is Instagram ArchJafra. Wherever you search ArchJafra, that pages and everything will come. That link I given here in the Instagram website link. And this is my pages. Everything is newly started here because that 4 year everything I run that project and office work, everything is very busy for everything I done. And after that, now only I planning to change my journey, and that's why this tutorial everything I started here. And my Facebook page also looks very empty, and there is nothing here. I'm not done much more. Everything just now I started. And YouTube also, this is the first video I'm going to post. And of course in Pinterest, some of the reference images for the project sometimes I will use, so that everything pins I created this also here. And if you search ArchJafra, this page will come, and I can follow the work. This if it is a um, if it is useful for you, then you can follow pins, or this my page, everything you can do. And this these are my projects. This is I worked in that offices, and this will be some of the project I can able to post. So this is the this I posted in this year only, and this is some I like this projects more, much more. Some of the apartment and villas, everything, and offices interior, home interior, bedroom, theaters, and some of the big projects also. This also I handled. This is a total building I modeled. This is a very interesting project, and everything looks very big, but concept is very simple. When you know that, then you don't know worry about the detailing and how you are going to do so. um, I jump into some of the brief introduction about the software. So let's go forward. This slide presentation I created, 3D software's intro. So what are the industries that they are using this 3D softwares is First of all, as a gaming industry only, most of the powerful industry, and still that jobs, everything they are hiring, so much is going on. And I don't know about the movie industry, that the jobs, about the job, everything, but the movies industry also, they are using very powerful softwares, and very realistic feel everything they are making. I like that Game of Thrones series, so that the realistic feels everything I got in that. And so much is Avatar, and of course Marvel movies, everything they are making very realistic feels. So this movies industry, they are making 3D, and this gaming industry also, of course, uh, nowadays very realistic feel output they are making, and that gaming, everything is a real kind of feel they are creating, and architecture form. Here also they are making like a first of all they are making a sketch like that. Later on, they are making a 2D plan, and after that they are executing this 3D form into the 3D softwares. Of course, that products also nowadays they are making 3D, and this also very finest results they are making accurate, and very accurately they are making a 3D model, whatever car, bikes, and whatever you are seeing a material, that everything they are created like a model. After that only they are publishing their products into their websites and others. That the industry is like that only. So this is a render, that this is a model. After that, that textures, everything they apply with the help of lighting, HDRI, everything they are making a render. And this is you are looking at, and this stall design, some of the even sometimes they will conduct that also. They are making 3D model before execute that 3D model they are creating. And next one is that furniture industry, chair, sofa, table, wardrobes, like a storage kind of thing. Everything they are making a 3D before execution. They are before created on a model. They are looking at the preview in the 3D software. This 2D also they are making. Of course, dimension, everything they are created, and a proper industrial dimension they will create, like some 50 or total of 3 feet height, everything they will make. Later on, they will make a 3D, and this cloth industry, this also, everything they are making with the help of softwares only. Before that, directly they will make a, cloth with a machine. So nowadays, everything they are making this on software, and textures, fabric, whatever they will apply. Later on, this product will come. This material also in industry, they will make tiles, wood, and some kind of architectural relevant material, everything they are using, that for house making, interior work, everything they will before they will make material, and they will take photos and they will publish. Nowadays, in 3D software, they will make a preview before making a product. If it is a fine mint, then they will go forward, and they will execute the product, and both they will publish. So this is the basic introduction of the 3D softwares, how the industries they are using, and this jobs also, how we are going to get, and which one is interested for you, or which one is suit for you. Everything is up to you, because I'm not recommending particularly in this which this industry only best. That is not my job, and everything, this is just a basic introduction I'm giving, and later on choices is up to you only. So this is jobs also, how you are going to get in this architect, because I know most of the architectural relevant process only, because this is past my past experience, everything relevant to the architecture form. So my teaching, everything is relevant to the architecture form, not on the other industry. So this indeed, this is the best step. You can apply the job, and can get job immediately. So this is a very good platform from my side. This is the easiest way to get the job, and this Instagram also for freshers, 1 year, 2 year experience persons, and they can apply through this page. They are this is very useful pages at the rate or key and the underscore jobs. So this is very nice page. You can get the jobs for the fresher. It is a very useful for that, and of course the LinkedIn is a powerful platform, and you can use the opportunity and other platform also. That this is a I used more, so you can get the job very easy. Next one is this civil engineering. Main how the industry is running. The structural transportation engineering is a roadway, railway, road. Of course, the airlines, runway, everything. They in this civil engineering type of name, and water engineering, of course, dam. This one geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, coastal engineering, earthquake engineering, forensic engineering, and management and construction engineering. So this are the industries running, and which one is you land, and that in you choose, and you go forward for that, because this one is so many industry and is running, and much more is there. Which one is suit for you, and which one is interested in you, that one you go. So that is my humble request. Of course, the architecture form also so many is there: residential, commercial, work, landscaping, and green design industry. So some of the building the clients will require with the green like the trees, plants, like that they will ask. So that one is they will make with in the some of the areas they will allocate for that, and then that one they will so that some of the building mostly they will make with the glasses like that. But so some particularly industry they will ask for this. So that one they will plan, and they will go forward for that. And civil engineering also so many types is there. Of course, in the this construction one, we can briefly know about the work that quality control they will check, and of course the geometry, soil test they will take, survey they will take for the measurement, and this total station they will use. So that one everything you just briefly you just google it, and you will know what are the details there. Of course, the steel structure is separate from the others. This structure analysis, everything the software nowadays they are using, and that also you just search it, and you will know some basic things. So next one is this building is how they are going to execute this a process. No? First they will program that one, how the site is there, and which side is suit for that. Everything they will plan, and the conceptual they will make. They will draw some sketches, and they will make this buildings shapes, everything they will plan. After that, detailed design, of course a 2D plan they will make. Yeah, there's a plan, elevation, section, side view, no, everything. Four side they will make, and there's if it's a big building, they will make so much detail for that uh, in 2D. After that, they will make a 3D, and we can do that. I showed earlier that on Sri Lanka project, like that. It's a big project, mean they will do that. Analysis, the structure is okay, it is stable after construction. It will okay, and that load that it can transport to up to the ground. Everything they will check in the software called Stratford load calculation software. Um, if the test is a failure, mean they will go back, and properly they will design, and they will model, and after that they will calculate. Then only that documentation work it will start. This is just a planning only. So visualization, and the next one is the documentation. They will execute it. They will start execute that one by one, and there's a fabrication work will start. That material they will transport to the site, and they will start making on that, on the construction. construction, here they mentioned 4D 5D. For 2D mean x y, for 3D mean x y z, for 4D mean, if the 3D, it's open domain. If it is a box, is 3D. The box is open domain. Inside material, if you are looking, that is a 4D. So like that, this work will go, because the building, they will make an inside detail one by one. They will create like that. So very detailed work they are going to execute. So that's why they mentioned here 4D 5D. And next one is the construction logistic. Once that basement is fine, it's okay, mean they will start building up, and with the cranes, with the help of cranes, they will make, and operation and maintenance. Once it is a finished domain, and that other site area, they will fulfill, and they will hand over to the client. That renovation, once it is done, later on, if it is needed, then some of the renovation work only they will. So this is a life cycle of the building things, and this is a building information modeling for whole building. What is required, that Revit is a powerful software for giving a very proper detail, um, that we will learn later. So this is the basic kind of software. So this you have to know for these are the softwares. What is the purpose it is using? So everything you will know, and then only you can able to choose for which one is suit for you, or which one is industry is required. So like that, mostly that Photoshop is required for all type of work, and there's a Revit, I told you, building information modeling software, and of course AutoCAD, 2D drawing, everything they will make. And this is SketchUp for making 3D, Rhino, ArchiCAD, 3D Max. These are the softwares is helpful for making 3D. So this is the modeling. Modeling means the building, we can make a shape. We can make a shape with the proper sizes, proper detail in the industrial detail we have to make. Everything is a modeling work, and this is the software is using to helping to use making 3D. And rendering is we are applying the texture. We are making a lighting. This is a evening kind of lighting effect. So, and this cement concrete material, like textures, lighting, environment, everything is a process of rendering. Rendering is basically the 3D object making kind of a pixel. So pixel only, this is the image, and this is a 3D object making kind of images on, and this advertisement, everything they are posting, everything is in a image form. That only we are creating with the help of software. These are the softwares. So this is software. So many is that we will learn one by one. So I'm going forward. This is architecture software list I created. This is particularly 3D Max and V-Ray I'm going to create. So the 3D model, and this for rendering, V-Ray is a helping of rendering, applying maps, and applying lighting. Everything is the software only I'm using that. And this Autodesk is the main industry. They are making so much things. This is their main product, AutoCAD. Later on, they bought that Revit, 3D Max, Maya. So much software they bought for their company. And this is a open source software. You can use it. This is a paid one, and this is a open source software you can install, and you will learn. And this is 3D Max. It's a powerful software I choose, and this only past 4 year I worked with this software, and Unreal Engine I start learning. This is a future software I'm looking forward for VR, AR, and of course walkthroughs, everything. This is a very powerful software, but the tools also very complicated to learn. But it is when we know me, then it is very easy for learning that everything you plan for that, and you will know one day. It is if you know me, it is very easy for you. and of course supporting software. This is for making post production, and some of the software is using for modeling that when we need, I mean that software is needed to presentation, and for working this connector is needed. So like kind of this Pure is a very powerful software for put so many images together, and we can zoom in, zoom out, and so many work is there. So that one by one we will learn. And Adobe is a main industry, that company. They afford so many this softwares, this Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, Illustrator, of course, Substance they want now, and this are the softwares they have, and this also we need to learn. Once the render is done, after that post production is needed for color correction and making that very finest result we have to make with the help of the software. So, for animation, this is the software is needed. Some of the open source software also, powerful software also we needed to use that, and I'm going forward. Best 3D visual software. If you search in Google, mean that result will pop up like this. In 3ds Max is a powerful software, so that's why I chosen this one. And next one, why I chosen Vera is for 3ds Max particularly. This only is we are going to use for this 3ds Max. It's the first software they are releasing so many updates and everything they are using. So that's why this software I'm using. This is a basic introduction I given for each software, that just see that, and this everything I put it in a Telegram group. This link, everything is there in my Telegram group called Jafra 360, like this one. So that link, everything I will give you. That this is the link, you can click that, and you will know that PDF, everything PPT is there. And this is a link I given in the Instagram page. So once you click this, this will pop up, and you will know. For supporting, you can give some money for making the software, the videos, everything. Because I'm also spending so much time for research, so much things, everything. Every year industry is releasing so many softwares, so that also I have to learn, and I have to teach you everything. This for realistic purpose, this realistic field, everything we can make with the help of software. So, and that's why. And of course there's a YouTube channel, you can subscribe that, called ArchJafra, mean architectural or architects, because I did civil engineering, but I'm working on the architectural form. That's why this name I mentioned here. And Jafra mean this JA, first two letters is Jackson, and balance is FRA, mean short of Franklin. So this is my name only, and this one everything we will know, and we will learn together, and keep learning, keep support me. Thank you.